Yeah?
Before we start, could you try to say Chiweenie without smiling?
Say what?
Chiweenie without smiling.
Chiweenie. I'm gonna try. You ready? I can't! It doesn't count if you're laughing. It's hard to make it too hard for me. No, I can't. Can you? Can you look at the camera and say Chiweenie?
Chiweenie.
You can't do it either. Try again. I did it. Chiweenie.
Chiweenie.
You got it. All right, good job. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist. And for those of you who do, welcome back. We're super stoked to see you. And today I have a special guest who's going to be joining me on Saturdays. And your name is?
Brielle.
Her name is Brielle. And Brielle and I are buddies, actually. We met, where did we meet? Well, we really connected in Hawaii together, right? Brielle started watching my videos, and then she started giving me some suggestions, and then I thought, you know what? Brielle would be a great co-host to have on camera. She's funny. You're funny, right? And she's a serious fashionista. Her and I went shopping together for this video, and she was pulling things and things that I wasn't thinking of. It was actually amazing. You did amazing. You were really helpful. You were. You're welcome. So before anything else, we're gonna get started and we're gonna talk about
Spring fashion for kids?
We're talking about spring fashion for kids. So if you are a kid, who needs to watch this video? Who should be watching this video?
Kids?
Kids. And maybe their moms?
Yeah.
Or babysitters? Or grandmas?
Or aunties.
Or aunties? All the aunties out there? Right. Anyone who likes kids, knows kids, has kids. Yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so too. All right, let's get started and talk about spring fashion. Want to? Okay. So for our first spring fashion look, so this is one that I picked out for Brielle. I picked out some fun floral leggings. These ones are super cute. They're Nike. They were on sale actually at Sport Check, and there's a little matching top. And we paired them with a brand new pair of Converse that's just come out with ruffles. Brielle, do you like these Converse? Yeah, they're fun. And you know what's really nice about these Converse? They actually zip on the sides so that you can get your feet in really easily, right? Yeah. And do you like this outfit?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what would you wear this outfit for?
I think going to the gym.
Going to the gym. Well, that's a great idea. Do you work out?
Oh, well, my mom does, but I would think I would go for a walk with this.
Yeah. You go for a walk in this outfit. She would go for a walk in this outfit. Would you go get groceries in this outfit?
Yeah.
Yeah, she'd go get groceries in this outfit. It's this like little kid athleisure. She's got leggings and a Nike top. You're looking pretty awesome. I like it. Okay, Brielle, so we just did look number 1. And now we're doing Spring Kids look number 2. And we are showing off one of the spring trends for kids is tulle. So Brielle's got the cutest ever tulle skirt on. And we paired it with a cute little bright pink t-shirt. So pastels are really in for the spring. So Brielle's got like a pink pastel shirt. And this jean jacket is so awesome. You picked that one out yourself. Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah.
It fits you perfect. And it matches your eyes. Look how blue your eyes are. You got blue eyes. And then these shoes are so cute. Are they comfortable?
Well, a bit.
A little bit. When they fit you, were they really comfortable?
Yep.
Yeah. These little shoes that she's got on, they're by a shoe company called Native, and they're awesome. They are vegan and PETA certified and animal friendly. Do you know what that means? They don't kill any animals to make those shoes. That's pretty cool, right?
Then what do they make it out of?
Plastic stuff? I don't know. Maybe those are made out of like recycled plastic or something.
Well, recycled plastic is just made of plastic.
Right. I don't know. We don't know what Native shoes are made out of, but we really like them when they're really comfortable. And they're super cute. So do you want to show them, where do you think you'd wear this outfit?
To the beach.
To the beach. Where else? Would you wear it to a birthday party?
Nah.
No, not to a birthday party.
I would think I would wear this to like a dinner place.
A dinner place in the summer or in the spring.
Yeah.
I think it's really cute. I like the tulle skirt. Is it comfortable?
Yes. It is.
And what do you like about this outfit? Tell us what you love about it.
I love about the shirt.
Yeah? Do you know what's on that shirt?
The Eiffel Tower.
How did you know that? You're so smart. Smartest kid ever here, talking about fashion. Yeah. High five. Yes. Okay, so we are on look number 3, right, Brielle? Mm-hmm. So where would you wear this look?
Like a walk downtown.
A walk downtown. We would wear this outfit on a walk downtown. That's a good idea. Do you go walking downtown by yourself?
No, with my parents.
Oh, that's good. That would be kind of scary to walk downtown by yourself.
Really.
Yeah, that would be scary. So do you know what makes this one of the trends, this outfit? Do you remember what I told you? This jean jacket is what's called a pastel color.
It's pastel color?
Yeah, so it's kind of like a light minty green. Have you ever seen those mints? Like sometimes grandmas have them and they melt in your mouth and they're like light pink, light green, and white.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's kind of like that color. Do you like those mints?
Yeah, I like mints.
Do you like mints?
They're yummy.
They are nummy. This is a really cute outfit for any kid. We're just kind of showing you some of the spring trends. We found this jacket at Justice and it looks so cute on her. I love jean jackets for kids.
Where do we find this one again?
Those ones are from Justice too. So we found these little shorts. Show them the lace on the shorts. So we found these little shorts with lace on them. And we paired it with a plain white V-neck t-shirt and some sparkly slip-on shoes. And the sparkly slip-on shoes were on sale at the Gap. And I think they were like maybe $5 or $9. So it's a pretty good deal. Do you think that's a lot for shoes, $5?
No.
No. Is that a good deal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are they comfortable? Yeah. They look super cute.
It's really cozy inside.
I'll tell you what I love with this jacket.
What?
So if it's a kind of a summer day or a spring day where it's not that warm, then you have a little jacket to throw on. The color's really cute, easy to wear. The jean shorts look comfortable.
I know they are.
I love them.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so we are on look number 4 and something that's hugely popular this spring for kids. And has been, actually, for the last little while. Do you know what this is called?
I can't remember.
Is it called maybe a romper?
Yeah.
Yay, romper! Whoa, that was the hardest high five I've ever had. You got some muscles. That hurt your hand too? So Brielle's got on a romper that she got at TJ Maxx, and she loves this romper because it's super comfy. And we paired it with the same sparkly runners that we got for $5. And that's a pretty cool purse that you got there. What do you got in that purse?
Want me to show you?
Yeah.
Or tell you?
I want you to tell me and show me.
Okay. It's makeup.
Makeup? Who's makeup? Whoa! Let me see. What do you got?
Brushes.
Oh, what's that brush do?
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair. This
No,
is
like comb your eyebrows.
like this one here?
No, like your eyebrows.
Oh, can you comb mine?
Wait, I think I have something else that you wouldn't have when you were 6.
Oh,
Okay.
I don't think I had any of that when I was 6, actually. I just started buying those things, and I'm a lot older. How old do you think I am?
32?
Close.
33.
Very close.
34?
We won't go any higher. We'll keep that between us.
Okay.
This is a good outfit. I think we should wear it. Where should we wear this outfit?
Out for dinner?
For dinner. Anywhere. It's comfortable, right? You could literally go from the beach to the playground to dinner in comfort and style.
Is this the last one?
I think it might be. We showed a lot of spring trends for kids.
Well, should we do a 6th one?
We could. Do you want to?
Sure. Okay.
We'll show them one more spring trend. All right, so the trend that we're showing right now, even though you have so many cool things on, so camo is a trend just like it is for adults, for teens, and for kids. So we found the coolest pair of camo leggings at the Gap. And what I liked about these leggings, because Brielle is very girly, right? Yeah, she carries a bag full of makeup. She's girly. So these leggings were actually flowers. So they're like a little more feminine, a little more soft. And then we paired it with our jean jacket from the Gap, white t-shirt, And then Brielle found the most killer boots ever. These gold sparkly boots, and they were $5, right? Yep. And she put them together with this outfit, and I love it. We're both kind of wearing sparkly shoes.
And then the accessories are sunglasses and a headband.
And the accessories are that. And you look pretty styling. I love it. This is a great outfit. I like the look. We could almost be twins. I would wear that outfit.
You would?
Yeah, I would. Even the sunglasses with the butterflies.
Would you wear this?
I would.
Would you?
Yeah. Yeah, I would.
Would you? Come on, just tell me.
You tell us in the comments, right?
Oh, fine, fine.
We'll have to read the comments to find out. But I really would wear this, including the gold boots. It's a nice work, sister. Give me 5. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
All right, you ready to go? Yeah. This is the bonus look that you gave everybody. This is look number
6.
Yeah! Look number 6. So Brielle wanted to make sure that you had the full spring kids looks. So she wanted to show off her overalls that we found. Brielle actually found these at Justice, and I love them. Like, kids, and actually overalls are in for adults too. Did you know that? Do you think I'd look cute in those overalls?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could pull off those overalls. Not as cute as you though. So we're showing overalls for kids, which are so super cute. And we found these ones at Justice, and something I love about them is the lace. And they have real pockets, and they have lace detailing on the side, which makes them a little more feminine, and lace on the little rip. We have matching rips. And then, and also they're really narrow through the legs, which I think is so sweet. So we paired them with some super trendy Vans slip-ons. And so what I actually did is balanced out a little bit of the feminine with some more edge with the Vans. And then Brielle added a side pony with the black bow, which styled perfectly. You nailed it. This is a great outfit idea for some moms or for some kids. I love this look. You did a really great job styling it.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video on spring trends. And if you enjoyed this video,
and if you enjoyed this video,
make sure to hit the red button.
Make sure you hit the red button down low that says subscribe.
Oh, you're right. It does say subscribe.
Subscribe.
And then what happens when they hit that? Does it cost them any money?
Yeah.
No, no money. It's free.
When you hit that red button, we go to your mailbox.
Yes. Their actual mailbox at their home, do you think?
No.
No. Their email box, right?
Yep.
Yeah, our video will show up in their email box. Right?
Yep.
And then they'll watch us. Yeah.
Cool.
Cool. Are you going to come back and hang out with me on Style by Kim on Secrets of a Stylist?
Yes.
Yes.
Of course.
Okay, awesome. Let's do another video.
Okay.
Bye, guys.